Good morning students. Today we'll see the problems on rational numbers in bracket all operations. Means we'll see the examples of rational number on addition, subtraction and multiplication and the division. The question first, the sum of two rational number is 11 divided by 24. If one of them is 3 divided by 8, find the other. See, the sum of two rational is 11 upon 24, which is given, and we know the one rational number 3 upon 8. So therefore sum of two rational numbers is equal to 11 upon 24. Let the other rational number be x. So according to the condition, the sum of two rational number is 11 upon 24. So therefore x plus 3 divided by 8 is equal to 11 divided by 24. Now we'll shift plus 3 divided by 8 to this side, so it becomes minus. So x is equal to 11 upon 24 minus 3 upon 8, and so the LCM of 24 and 8 is 24. So this implies that 24 LCM, so 24 ones are 24, so 1 multiply with the 11, so 11, this minus 8 3s are 24, 3 multiply with the 3, 9, so which is equal to 11 minus 9, so 2 divided by 24, so 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, so which is equal to 1 upon 12, so which is the required answer. Now we'll see next example. Example 2, what should be added to minus 3 divided by 5 to get 2 question mark. Very simple example. Now see the solution. Let the required rational number be x. So according to the condition, this rational number plus x is equal to 2. So this implies that x is equal to, so minus 3 divided by 5 shifted to this side, so it is plus, so 2 plus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to, so LCM of 5 and 1 is 5, then 1 5s are 5, 5 2s are 10, plus 5 1s are 5, 1 multiply with the 3, so which is equal to 13 divided by 5, so which is the required answer. I will see next example. Question 3, what should be subtracted from 5 divided by 9 to get 9 divided by 5 question mark. See here, which number you have to subtract from 5 upon 9, so we will get the answer 9 upon 5, so that number we have to find out. So in solution, consider that x to be subtracted. So according to the condition, 5 divided by 9 minus x is equal to 9 divided by 5. So this implies that shift minus x to this side, so it is plus, keep 9 upon 5, so that 5 upon 9, sorry, shift minus x to this side and take 9 upon 5, so 5 to this side, so therefore x is equal to 5 upon 9 minus 9 divided by 5. So this implies that, so LCM of 9 and 5, 45, so 9 5s are 45, 5 multiply with the 5, 25, minus 5 9s are 45, 9 multiply with the 9, so 81. So this implies that 25 minus 81, see, so which is 56. So x is equal to minus 56 divided by 45. The sign of bigger number is minus. So which is the required answer. Now we'll see the next sum. Question 4, very easy exercise. See, evaluate in bracket 11 divided by minus 9 multiply with 21 divided by 44 bracket close, plus in bracket minus 5 divided by 9 multiply with the in bracket 63 divided by minus 100. Now solution. So given that, I will write first. So here see, 9 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44, plus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So here in numerator 7 divided by 4 multiply with the minus 3, so minus 12. So 7 divided by minus 12 plus 7 ones are 7 and denominator 21 multiply with the 121, so 7 divided by 21. Now see the LCM of 12 and 20 is the 60. So therefore which is equal to minus, so we will make the denominator same like as LCM 60. So minus 7 multiplied by 5 divided by 12 multiplied by 5 plus 7 multiplied with the 3 and divided by 12 multiplied with the 3. So which is equal to minus 35 divided by 60 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 23s are 60. So which is equal to LCM is the same. So minus 35 plus 21. So minus 35 plus 21. So which is equal to minus 14 divided by 60. So which is the required answer. Now we'll see the next example. Question 5. I'll read the question. A bus is moving with a speed of 65 whole 1 upon 2 kilometer per hour. How much distance will it cover in 1 whole 1 upon 3 hours? See, we know the speed of bus. The speed of bus is what? 65 whole 1 upon 2 kilometer. So which is equal to 65 to the 130 plus 131 divided by 2 kilometer per hour. And we have to find out how much distance will it cover in 1 whole 1 upon 3 hours. So the time taken is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 3 hours. So which is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 divided by 3 hours. As we know the formula, so distance covered is equal to speed multiplied with the time. So we know the speed is 131 divided by 2 multiplied by time, we know 4 upon 3. So which is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So 131 2s are 262 divided by 3 kilometer. So see, in mixed fraction it becomes 87 whole 1 upon 3 kilometer. So in one, the bus will cover 87 whole 1 upon 3 kilometer distance in 1 whole 1 upon 3 hours. Now we'll see the next question. Question 6. Evaluate. In bracket 32 divided by 15 plus 8 divided by 5 bracket close divided by, in bracket 32 divided by 15 minus 8 divided by 5 bracket close. We have to divide here this. We have to divide this with this. Now see solution. 32 divided by 15 plus 8 divided by 5 divided by 32 divided by 15 minus 8 divided by 5 bracket close. Here the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. 15 ones are 15. 1 multiply with the 32. So it is 32 plus 5 3s are 15. 3 multiply with the 8, 24 divided by same LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. So 15 divided by 15 1 multiply with the 32 minus 5 3s are 15. 3 multiply with the 8, 24. So which is equal to 32 plus 24 means 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 2 5 divided by 15, then divided by 32 minus 24 8 divided by 15. So which is equal to, then we have to divide this number with this rational number. So 56 divided by 15 multiply with the, will take the reciprocal of 8 upon 15. 15 divided by 8. So 15 ones are 15, 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So the required answer is 7. So students, today we shall stop here and try to solve more example at home, and in next period we'll see the next chapter, the chapter 3 fraction. Thank you.